cabin for next flight. We will be landing shortly and cabin crew will come around for final clearance. Kindly make sure to be discarded. Please do not leave behind any item from anywhere in the aircraft. Instead, use the biohazard waste bins provided at the airports on arrival. Once the seatbelt signs are switched on, turn off all electronic devices